Ciao, it's me, Mila Martinico, and welcome to another episode of At Home with Mama Mila. Listen, this is going to be probably one of the most important episodes of my life on this channel, okay? Everybody's been asking for an easy red sauce recipe, a marinara sauce recipe. This is the recipe that every real Italian makes because we don't buy jarred pasta sauce. It is so easy. Is the baby awake? Welcome to my real kitchen. My baby's coming. Making your own pasta sauce is so easy. And honestly, sometimes it can be even cheaper than buying a jarred pasta sauce, especially if you're trying to find something that's clean, organic, good for your family, okay? This has no preservatives. Come on, Angie. This has no preservatives. This has no additives, no fillers. It's just real pasta sauce. Hi, Bendo. Look at my pasta baby in his pasta pajamas. He's very on brand for today's episode, huh? Let's talk really fast about tomatoes. These are my two favorite brands. This is Cento. They're both straight from Italy and they're San Marzano. San Marzano tomatoes are grown in a specific region. They are literally protected by the Italian government, okay? And then these are Nina. You can get these ones at Costco in a big pack, so savings. And then Cento can be found at pretty much every single supermarket. Sometimes they'll say on there like certified organic, whatever. You don't have to worry about tomatoes being certified organic from Italy because they don't grow with pesticides. They're illegal. So you don't have to worry about that. And we're back. He's fed and happy and he just fell asleep. So let's talk about ingredients, okay? I've got 2 large cans, which they're each a pound. So 2 pounds of San Marzano tomatoes, okay? Then I have extra virgin olive oil. You don't want to use your best stuff and you don't want to use the crappy stuff. You want to go a nice right in the middle, okay? Extra virgin olive oil. Then I have, of course, salt. I have garlic. You can use garlic in whatever ways. Some regions will put a whole clove of garlic and then take it out. You can do minced garlic. For me, honestly, we have so much garlic at the restaurant, I should have stole some, but I had garlic paste that I had made. So this is roasted garlic paste. That's why it's brown, is because it's roasted. But you can use whole, just minced garlic. You can have it chunky, however you like your garlic, okay? But this garlic paste is what I'm using today. So you're gonna use like about, 4 or 5 cloves, kind of garlic you measure with your heart. You know what I mean? And then I'm going to use about a half a cup of fresh basil. This basil is beautiful. My friend Brittany gave it to me from her yard yesterday when I went there. And so that's literally it. That's all you need. So let's get to it. Okay, so we've got our tomatoes in the bowl. Now this is the way to do it. The nonnas just use their hands, but I don't want to get tomatoes in my jewelry. So that's that. We are going to take out all of our aggressions and smash this up. If you want a really unchunky sauce, you want it to be, what's the word I'm looking for?
Smooth?
Smooth? I'm looking for the word smooth. Okay, if you want smooth tomato sauce, then you can just pour it in a blender. At the restaurant, we pour it in a blender, and I'm not doing that right now because I blew up the blender at the restaurant, so I had to give them the one from my house. So we ain't got no blender. So we're gonna go the old-fashioned way. And we're just gonna go in here and you literally just grab a tomato and smash it. Okay, get all your aggression out. Look, for every person who complains at the restaurant, you just remember them? Did my face look crazy just then? I'm like, oh, you don't take reservations?
Where's the zoodles?
All your pasta is not handmade? Oh, you need time with your family? Okay, sorry.
Look at that. That only took like 2 minutes.
So we got all of our aggression out and all the memories that are haunting us. And we are gonna go straight to the stove. This will be ready in 5 minutes flat. On medium heat, we're gonna heat our olive oil. You're gonna add your garlic in, and you just wanna toast it. You want it to get golden brown. Here, again, I am using roasted garlic, so you can't tell, it's already tan. But you wanna get your garlic to have a nice little golden California tan. Be careful not to burn it. Then, very carefully, you're gonna turn your stove heat down to low, and you're gonna add in your tomatoes. Be careful, they pop. Stir it all up, add your salt, and then you're gonna have a good time just tearing up basil leaves and throwing your basil right in there. Beautiful, it's the colors of Italy. I would say this amount of pasta sauce would feed about 4 to 6 people if you were making a pot of pasta. This batch I'm gonna simmer for about 25 minutes. All right, here we go. Look at our beautiful sauce. Gravy if you're from New York. So, was that mean? I'm a sauce girl, okay? Like some people say gravy, whatever. Marinara sauce. It's beautiful. You can have like different variations of this. So if you don't like the chunks of basil, put it in the blender with the tomatoes. You won't see the chunks of basil if you have picky eaters or that's how you prefer it. If you want to can this, you're going to add a 1/4 tablespoon of lemon juice on the top of the sauce before you can it. I've canned this recipe so many times. If you want to add meat, you can add meat to it. If you want it to sit and I do my sauce for 4 hours, blah, 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 you can do that. Just do it in a stainless steel pot, or like I have the ceramic coated aluminum. Don't do it in an aluminum pot unless you want to give yourself heavy metal poisoning, okay? This is just a base recipe that is simple, that is easy, that you can use to create whatever you want, okay? Just don't add any sugar. That's not right. My nonna will haunt you forever. So let's taste our sauce. All right, this is the best part. Oh yeah. Simple, fresh. This would be so good with eggs in purgatory. Oh my God. It's good just like this. Thank you so much for coming and visiting with me and Nunzio in our kitchen. And I will see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow me on all the platforms. That's Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, where we are. And don't forget that I love you. I love seeing you at the restaurant. I love feeding you. I love having you in my kitchen and a part of our lives. Tanti baci.